Hey, drop.
Muhammad Asim Malik, biography, early life, military career, and achievements. Muhammad Asim Malik, also known as Asim Malik, is a three-star Pakistani general and the current Director General of Inter-Services Intelligence, ISI. Born into a Punjabi Awan family in Shahpur, a city located in the Sargodha district of Punjab, Pakistan, Asim Malik has had a distinguished military career marked by notable achievements. Early life and education. Asim Malik was born to Lieutenant General R. Ghulam Muhammad Malik, a former military officer, and was raised in a family with deep-rooted military connections. He completed his BSc, Hons, from the University of Balochistan in 1999, laying the foundation for his educational journey. Following his undergraduate studies, Asim Malik pursued further education in the United States, where he attended Fort Leavenworth and wrote a thesis on mountain warfare titled The Need for Specialist Training. This thesis, completed in 2003, showcased his commitment to studying and understanding the complexities of military operations in challenging terrains. He furthered his academic pursuits at the Royal College of Defence Studies in the United Kingdom, broadening his knowledge in defence and security matters. Asim Malik then obtained a Doctor of Philosophy, PhD, focusing on US-Pakistan relations from the National Defence University, solidifying his expertise in international affairs. Military career. Asim Malik's military career began when he was commissioned in the 12th Baloch Regiment in 1989. His exceptional performance during the training earned him the prestigious Sword of Honor during the 80th PMA Long Course at the Pakistan Military Academy. Throughout his career, Asim Malik has displayed exceptional leadership and a dedication to the military profession. He served as the chief instructor at the National Defence University in Islamabad, where he imparted his knowledge and expertise to the next generation of military leaders. As an instructor at the Pakistan Command and Staff College in Quetta, he continued to contribute to the development of strategic and tactical skills among military officers. Remaining with the Baloch Regiment throughout his career, Asim Malik rose through the ranks and assumed significant command positions. As a Major General, he led the 41st Infantry Division in Balochistan, demonstrating his ability to strategize and execute operations in challenging environments. He also commanded an infantry brigade in Waziristan, where he played a crucial role in maintaining security in volatile regions. Asim Malik's contributions extended to the Military Operations Directorate, where he utilized his expertise to coordinate military operations and ensure the effectiveness of defense strategies. Elevation to Adjutant General. In October 2021, Asim Malik's dedication and competence were recognized when he was promoted from Major General to Lieutenant General. He was appointed as the Adjutant General, AJ, at General Headquarters, GHQ, in Rawalpindi by the Chief of Army Staff, Corps, at the time, Qamar Javed Bajwa. This position allowed Asim Malik to oversee crucial administrative tasks and maintain the operational efficiency of the Pakistan Army. It was during his tenure as the AG that he played a pivotal role in the investigation of 9th May riots and the subsequent court-martial proceedings of the former Director General of Inter-Services Intelligence, Lieutenant General Waj Hamid. His involvement in these high-profile cases demonstrated his commitment to upholding military discipline and integrity. Appointment as Director General ISI. On 23 September 2024, Asim Malik received a significant appointment, becoming the Director General of Inter-Services Intelligence, DG ISI. Succeeding Nadeem Anjum in this crucial position, he officially assumed the role on 30 September 2024. This appointment was notable as Asim Malik became the first ISI chief to hold a doctorate degree. Though he had limited experience in intelligence-specific roles, his appointment came at a time of political instability, rising militancy, and increased public attention on the ISI. The announcement of his appointment by the Pakistan Television Corporation, as opposed to the usual practice of the Prime Minister's office or inter-services public relations, signaled the unique context in which his leadership would unfold. Asim Malik's appointment as the DGISI was not only a testament to his capabilities but also reflected the trust and connection he shared with Coase Asim Munir. Both Asim Malik and Coase Asim Munir had received the Sword of Honor during their training as cadets, highlighting their shared commitment to excellence in the military profession. Achievements and recognition. Asim Malik's outstanding contributions to the military have been acknowledged through various awards and decorations. He has been awarded the Hilal-i-Imtiaz, a prominent civilian award in Pakistan, in recognition of his meritorious services. Furthermore, his distinction as a recipient of the Sword of Honor during his training underscores his exceptional abilities and dedication. Beyond his substantive accomplishments, Asim Malik has made valuable contributions to the field of military scholarship. His research and analysis on mountain warfare, presented in his thesis, The Need for Specialist Training, reflects his commitment to addressing the specific challenges and requirements of warfare in mountainous terrains. Through such publications and intellectual contributions, Asim Malik has demonstrated a holistic approach to military leadership, encompassing both practical experience and theoretical insights. Personal life and additional roles. Outside of his military responsibilities, Asim Malik leads a balanced personal life. He is married and has a family, adding to the support and stability that enables him to undertake his demanding professional duties. In May 2025, Asim Malik assumed the role of National Security Advisor, NSA, in the Prime Minister's Secretariat, further emphasizing his expertise in defense and national security matters. His appointment to this critical position, which had been vacant for 2 years, showcased the recognition of his leadership capabilities and the trust placed in him by the government. As the head of the National Security Committee, NSA, of Pakistan, he played a crucial role in shaping and implementing national security strategies at a time of increasing tensions. Asim Malik's unique position as both the DGISI and the NSA made history in Pakistan, as he became the first individual to hold both roles concurrently. This dual responsibility was a testament to his exceptional capabilities and the recognition of his expertise in critical decision-making and strategic planning. In conclusion, Muhammad Asim Malik's life and career are characterized by remarkable achievements and an unwavering commitment to serving his country. From his early days in the Baloch Regiment to his current positions as the DGISI and the NSA, he has displayed exceptional leadership, strategic thinking, and a dedication to upholding the principles of the military profession. Asim Malik's journey is a true testament to the power of knowledge, experience, and leadership in shaping the future of national security and defense in Pakistan.